Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories.
Morning, Ted. Morning. We're going to make fudge. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. So I've got my slow cooker out and I've got it set to high. I'm going to be making chocolate orange fudge. So I'll show you how I do it. So first of all, this one is made in slow cooker. So I've got it set to high. So now I'm just going to pop the, I've got 3 chocolate oranges and I'm going to break them up and pop them into the slow cooker. Number 1, number 2, and it smells divine. And number 3. So we've got 3 Terry's chocolate oranges in here. There we go, look at that loveliness. And then to that I'm adding one of the smaller cans of condensed milk. So that's all going in, look. I'll scrape the tin out in a minute. Right, I'll just scrape that tin out. So that's the 2 ingredients in there. Literally what you do is just set your timer for 30 minutes. This will all start melting. Keep on mixing it. And then after 30 minutes, I'll come back and I'll show you the next step. My dish here ready with some greaseproof paper ready to put the mixture into. I don't remember if I said don't put the lid on, do leave the lid off. And then just come back and give it a stir every now and then. I don't expect you to stand there and keep stirring, but every now and then come back and give it a good old stir. Thought I'd come back and show you that we're halfway now. So it's 15 minutes in and another 15 to go. And then all of these bits here will all be melted down, look.
Dressed in golden red, garlands and ribbon thread, tinsel bright. But you outshine all like a fresh cut tree. I fall for your light. running late. Let's put the food on the table fast as we're able. Guests are coming at 8. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on. Simmer down, pass a big smile around. Now that everything is gold, the children hunker down to see what's hidden beneath the Christmas tree. Look but not touch there.
Right, and here we are. So this is the chocolate orange fudge all done. I've just put it all into like 2 different boxes until I've done the other 2 flavours, and then what I'll do is just like mix and match all the different flavours that I'm doing. So that is my chocolate orange fudge. I'll pop the recipe down below in the description box for you. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more of the same and a lot more if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to press that notification bell, and then you'll be reminded when I do my next upload. Take care, everyone. Talk to you in the next video. Bye. Bye. Yummy. I think I best give it a taste test.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories.